What's up, guys? Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today I went to mow the lawn and the tractor did not start. So I got looking around, I got some bad wiring, so let's get it fixed. What's going on with this old girl? She was mowing, she stopped mowing. So this wire has clearly seen better days. But what's more alarming is when you cross it, I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but there's wires in there sizzling. So we clearly have to address this issue. So we're going to start by disconnecting the battery. We're going to pull the dash apart, fix those two wires that are burned up, and then we're going to replace this one, and hopefully that solves the problem. Okay, so we got the bolts out of the dash. As you can see, right here's my issue. That's not good. Okay. Now all I have to do, see how bad back into here they are. Hopefully not very far. I can cut them and put new ones in. What a mess. Well, those came off pretty easy. Okay, so we've got a multimeter. It's set up for continuity. It's going to beep. So we're trying to figure out where these wires go. So I believe that this wire is one of these. So that means we can just cut this wire is melted the whole way through the harness. We're just going to trim it off flush, run a new wire next to it, and just put a new end on this one. So that should resolve the problem. And what I believe caused all this is these were rubbing on the steering column. And that is what it took the coating off and started melting. Luckily, it doesn't appear that anything else is really hurt. So we're going to run a new wire, put a new end on this, and we'll be in business. Okay, we got it all back together. We got a new wire renting up. Put the dash back on. Let's see if it works.